Meet UiChemy 4.0, your upgraded, designed to Elementor workflow. We've completely redesigned the experience to guide you step by step, from Figma to WordPress without confusion. Now, earlier in 3.0, yeah, it had powerful features, but let's be honest, the interface felt clunky for beginners. So instead of just patching it, we completely rebuilt the flow to make it feel intuitive from the start. That's why we upgraded to UiChemy 4.0. Offering you a cleaner UI and a crystal clear 8-step flow designed to eliminate confusion and make navigation effortless, so you never feel lost and confused again. Now, let's dive in and walk you through the setup. Step 1. Select page or frame. Start by selecting any frame or page in Figma. Step 2. Optimize multi-layer media. Optimize your design's performance by locking all media layers. Either optimize them manually or simply click Lock and let UiChemy handle it for you. Step 3. Widget tagging mode. Choose how your design is exported. UiChemy can auto-tag core widgets like container, heading, text, and image. Or you can manually tag advanced widgets like button, carousel, and gallery. Step 4. Manage auto layout. Let UiChemy know if your design already uses auto layout. If it doesn't, we'll create a duplicate and apply auto layout for you, so keep it structured and ready for widget tagging. Step 5. Tag widgets. Improve your Elementor editing experience by tagging specific widgets inside your design. You can manually assign advanced widgets like button, carousel, gallery, and more to match your design requirements. Step 6. Responsive Manager. Choose how your design should adapt to mobile and tablet devices. Go with Smart Auto Responsive for automatic font, spacing, and layout adjustments, or take full control by setting up your own breakpoints and design rules. Step 7. Global Styles. Assign the global colors and typography used in your Figma design to the site you're exporting to. UiChemy will sync these styles with Elementor so your design system stays consistent across platforms. Step 8. Settings. Adjust your final export options like skipping images, using Figma's exported and scaling images, setting widths in percentages, and applying text tagging rules. You've completed the setup. Your design is now ready to be exported. UiChemy offers 2 simple ways to bring it into WordPress. Choose Direct Import to instantly send the layout to your connected Elementor site, or go with Copy to Clipboard to paste the layout inside the Elementor page editor. Both options generate clean and structured output. Choose the one that fits your workflow best. No more struggling with structure. Built on real feedback, UiChemy 4.0 is refined to improve your user experience, fitting perfectly into your workflow. This new 8-step journey not only guides you, it protects your export quality, reduces confusion, and speeds up your workflow by up to 30%. UiChemy 4.0 frees up your time, whether for the beach, a new hobby, or extra projects without the stress. Imagine gaining hours each week to upskill, grow your business, or just enjoy life. Ready to experience it? Update to UiChemy 4.0 today. Share your thoughts and be a part of shaping its future. Your designs deserve smooth exports, and now they've got it.